This is the 2027 Ford Explorer, bigger, darker, and more premium than ever. With carbonized gray metallic paint, black wheels, sharp LED lighting, and a full black interior, this SUV looks ready to challenge anything in its class. Welcome back to Auto Tech Report. Today, we are taking a first look at the 2027 Ford Explorer finished in carbonized gray metallic with a black interior. From these images, Ford gives the Explorer a bold, upscale, and powerful personality, blending family SUV practicality with a much more aggressive road presence. Starting at the front, the 2027 Ford Explorer looks wide, confident, and muscular. The dark grille gives the SUV a strong face, while the slim LED daytime running lights stretch across the front end and make it look modern and high-tech. The Explorer lettering across the hood adds a premium touch, giving the SUV a more commanding identity. The front bumper is sharp and layered, with vertical LED lighting on both sides that makes the design look taller and more dramatic. The lower intake, black trim, and silver skid plate style accent give it a rugged but refined appearance. This is not just a family SUV anymore. It looks like a luxury SUV with a tough attitude. From the side, the 2027 Explorer has a long, bold, and athletic stance. The carbonized gray metallic paint works perfectly with the black roofline, black mirrors, and dark-tinted windows. It gives the SUV a clean but aggressive look, especially under bright sunlight. The large black wheels make the Explorer look sportier and more expensive. The wide tires, strong shoulder line, and high ground clearance give it a confident SUV presence. The body shape still feels practical, but the styling is much sharper and more premium than before. Moving to the rear, the 2027 Ford Explorer continues the bold theme. The full-width LED taillight design makes the back look wider and more futuristic. The red light signature stands out strongly against the dark gray paint and black glass area. The Explorer badge across the tailgate gives the rear a clean and premium look, while the large black rear bumper adds a rugged feel. The dual exhaust-style openings and lower diffuser design make the SUV appear more performance-oriented. From the rear angle, this Explorer looks wide, planted, and very modern. Inside, the 2027 Ford Explorer features a full black interior with a clean and premium layout. The dashboard has a modern digital driver display and a large central touchscreen, giving the cabin a high-tech feel without looking too complicated. The steering wheel design is simple, clean, and functional, with buttons placed where the driver can easily reach them. The center console looks wide and practical, with cup holders, drive controls, storage areas, and a premium finish. The black leather seats appear comfortable and supportive, while the wood-style trim across the dashboard and doors adds a warmer luxury feeling. This interior looks designed for long drives, daily comfort, and family use. The second row is one of the strongest parts of this Explorer. The black captain's chairs look large, comfortable, and premium, with armrests and plenty of space between the seats. The panoramic glass roof adds an open and airy feeling, making the cabin feel larger and more upscale. Rear passengers also get a clean center console area with cup holders and controls, giving the second row a more executive feel. The third row is visible in the back, showing that this SUV is still built for families, road trips, and practical everyday use. It has the size and practicality people expect from an Explorer, but the design now feels much more upscale. Overall, the 2027 Ford Explorer in carbonized gray metallic looks bold, modern, and surprisingly luxurious. The front end is aggressive, the side profile is strong, the rear design is clean and futuristic, and the black interior gives it a premium SUV atmosphere. Ford seems to be pushing the Explorer into a more stylish and upscale direction, and based on these images, it works very well. This SUV has the presence, the space, and the attitude to stand out in the crowded three-row SUV segment. So, what do you think? Is the 2027 Ford Explorer now one of the best-looking family SUVs in its class? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay with Auto Tech Report for more future car reviews and first-look videos.